In front of me is Redmi A5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by launching settings and tapping on notifications right away. Now select app notifications here and tap on most recent. Following that, tap on the best sorting option for you. I will go with all apps. Now you can block all app notifications from chosen app by tapping on blue switcher next to it. To turn it back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. If you want to, you can also access any app by tapping on it on the left, and then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.